put a half a stick of butter in the microwave 30 seconds. Then you want to stir in a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows and cook that for a minute and a half till smooth. And then you will add 6 cups of the Rice Krispies. Mix those well together, and then you'll want to press that into a buttered dish, let it cool, and then you can cut and serve. And that's in the Tupperware Stack Cooker. You can see this and other great products on my website.